Do you want to be able to know exactly how to reset your Eufy outdoor camera? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to explain to you and show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So as you can see, it's actually surprisingly very simple to do this. So as you can see, to be able to reset your Eufy outdoor camera, then what you're going to do, you're going to actually press and hold the sync button, as you can see, and it's actually located on the bottom of the camera, and you have to press and hold for roughly 10 seconds, just so you know, or until you will be able to see a rapid blue flashing sequences on the LED indicator light. So basically what you're going to do in here, you're going to find this sync button, and as you can see, it should be on the bottom of the camera. So find it and then click on the sync button and just hold it for roughly 10 seconds, or until you see, as they say here, until you see a rapid blue flashing sequences. So when it's done, as you can see, you need to wait 30 seconds for the camera to complete its reboot sequence. So after you have pressed it and you have held it for 10 seconds, or until you see the blue flashing sequences once again, then you're just going to actually release it, and then you're going to wait 30 seconds for the camera to complete its reboot sequence. So that is basically exactly how to do this.